is every flagship smartphone powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip. Phones with Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 SoC and a few extra things to buy in 2023. With the recent release of the Xiaomi 13 Pro, there are now Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 SoC powered smartphones available from almost every major brand. This includes the iQoo 11, OnePlus 11, and even the Galaxy S23 series, which features a customized Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for the Galaxy. Here are some Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 phones that you can consider for various use cases in India. iQoo 11 for gaming enthusiasts. If you're looking for a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 based phone primarily for gaming, we suggest the iQoo 11 over its contemporaries. The primary reason for recommending the iQoo 11 is its faster 144Hz 2K AMOLED display. The phone also has the fastest charging solution amongst all the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 powered smartphones in India. Even on benchmarks and stress tests, we have noted that the iQoo 11 can sustain peak performance for a bit longer than the rest. OnePlus 11 for price conscious buyers. If you want the most affordable Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 SoC based phone in India, then you can consider the OnePlus 11 review, which even undercuts the iQoo 11 with a starting price of 56,999 rupees. Despite being the most affordable model, the device packs a 2K curved display, a triple camera with Hasselblad tuning, a premium metal with stainless steel frame, and it even supports 100 watts fast charging. The fast charger is included in the box. Samsung Galaxy S23 for compact phone seekers. If you're looking for the most compact and premium flagship with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 at the helm, the Galaxy S23 should be the device to consider. This phone, with its 6.1-inch screen, is currently the most compact phone with Qualcomm's flagship chip. The device also has a capable triple camera setup, a 120Hz flat display, supports wireless charging, and it is also IP68 rated for water and dust resistance. However, with a starting price of 79,999 rupees, the Galaxy S23 is a bit expensive compared to its competitors. Xiaomi 13 Pro for pro camera users. If you want a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 SoC based phone with an emphasis on the camera, the Xiaomi 13 Pro is the phone to pick. With the Leica partnership, the Xiaomi 13 Pro is currently one of the best smartphones for still photography. While the camera setup on the Xiaomi 13 Pro might not be as versatile as the one on the Galaxy S23 Ultra, it does come with a massive 1-inch type sensor with Leica tuning to deliver pro-grade camera performance. Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra for the rest. A Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 listicle would be incomplete without the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra.